Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to boost your Bumble profile. Boosting your Bumble profile can increase your chances of matching with more people. Here are some effective strategies to help improve your profile visibility and attract more attention. First is to use high quality photos. Make sure your first photo is clear and show your face well. Include a mix of solo shots, group photos, and pictures, your hobbies or activities. You also need to write a strong bio. You need to be authentic, using a humor or keep it interesting. Showcasing your personality, be genuine and avoid cliché. A little humor goes a long way in grabbing attention. Another is to be active. Log in frequently. Bumble needs to show you more active users first, so checking the app regularly can increase your chances of being seen. You also need to swipe daily. Regular swiping helps the algorithm understand that you are looking for a boost and your visibility. And the main option is that to verify your profile. You can see verify profile option here. A blue check mark where the Bumble offers profile verification to confirm that you are a real person. This can increase trust and make people more likely to swipe right. You can also use Bumble Boost or Spotlight. These premium features offer perks like seeing who already swiped right on you and extending matches. This paid feature puts your profile at the top of the queue for 30 minutes, increasing visibility. You can also update your profile regularly, refreshing your bio and photos every now and then to keep things interesting and showing that you are active. Also, you need to be positive and engaging. Show positivity and enthusiasm on your bio and conversation. People are drawn to those who give off good energy. By applying these tips, you can increase your profile appeal and boost your chances of finding meaningful connection on Bumble. So that is how you can boost your Bumble profile. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.